Which of the following is a lipid-soluble vitamin? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin C. Vitamin A. D. Vitamin. The correct answer is C. Vitamin A is a lipid-soluble vitamin, while vitamins B and C are water-soluble. Which of the following is an essential amino acid? A. Alanine. B. Serine. C. Lysine. D. Glutamine. The correct answer is C. Lysine is an essential amino acid that must be obtained through diet because the body cannot synthesize it. What is the primary function of proteins in the body? A. Energy storage. B. Structural support. C. Nerve transmission. D. Digestion. The correct answer is B. Proteins primarily provide structural support in tissues and organs, as well as serve various other functions such as enzyme activity and immune response. Which of the following is a complex carbohydrate? A. Glucose. B. Fructose. C. Starch. D. Sucrose. The correct answer is C. Starch is a complex carbohydrate composed of multiple glucose units, while glucose, fructose, and sucrose are simple carbohydrates. The chemical nature of lipids includes being A. Hydrophilic. B. Water-insoluble. C. Polar. D. Readily soluble in water. The correct answer is B. Lipids are characterized by being water-insoluble and hydrophobic, making them important components of cell membranes and energy storage. Which nucleic acid is responsible for protein synthesis in cells? A. mRNA. B. rRNA. C. tRNA. D. snRNA. The correct answer is A. mRNA, messenger RNA, carries the genetic information from DNA to the ribosome for protein synthesis. Enzymes are a type of A. Carbohydrate. B. Lipid. C. Nucleic acid. D. Protein. The correct answer is D. Enzymes are proteins that act as biological catalysts, facilitating biochemical reactions in the body. What is the main function of carbohydrates in the human body? A. Source of energy. B. Cell membrane structure. C. Hormone synthesis. D. Antibody production. The correct answer is A. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for the body, providing fuel for various cellular functions. Which of the following lipids is considered a saturated fat? A. Olive oil. B. Coconut oil. C. Avocado. D. Sunflower oil. The correct answer is B. Saturated fats are usually solid at room temperature, and coconut oil is an example of a saturated fat. Which nucleic acid carries genetic information and codes for the synthesis of proteins? A. DNA. B. mRNA. C. rRNA. D. tRNA. The correct answer is A. DNA carries genetic information in the form of genes and provides instructions for protein synthesis. Which of the following amino acids is classified as nonpolar? A. Serine. B. Glutamine. C. Valine. D. Arginine. The correct answer is C. Valine is a nonpolar amino acid, which means it does not interact with water molecules. What is the structure of a simple carbohydrate? A. Monosaccharide. B. Polysaccharide. C. Oligosaccharide. D. Disaccharide. The correct answer is A. Simple carbohydrates consist of single sugar units known as monosaccharides. Which of the following lipids is known as good cholesterol? A. LDL. B. HDL. C. VLDL. D. Chylomicrons. The correct answer is B. HDL, high-density lipoprotein, is considered good cholesterol as it helps remove LDL and cholesterol from the arteries. How many nucleotide bases are present in DNA? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. The correct answer is C. DNA contains 4 nucleotide bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Which amino acid is commonly found in collagen, the most abundant protein in the human body? A. Proline. B. Lysine. C. Leucine. D. Tryptophan. The correct answer is A. Proline is a key amino acid in collagen, providing structural stability to this essential protein. Which of the following terms describes a bond between two amino acids in a protein chain? A. Peptide bond. B. Glycosidic bond. C. Ester bond. D. Phosphodiester bond. The correct answer is A. A peptide bond forms between the amino group of one amino acid and the carboxyl group of another amino acid in a protein chain. What is the primary storage form of carbohydrates in animals? A. Starch. B. Glycogen. C. Cellulose. D. Fructose. The correct answer is B. Glycogen serves as the primary storage form of carbohydrates in animals, mainly stored in the liver and muscles for energy needs. What is the common biological role of carbohydrates in living organisms? A. Energy storage and structural support. B. Enzyme catalysis. C. Hormone production. D. Cell membrane formation. The correct answer is A. Carbohydrates serve as an important energy source and play a role in providing structural support, such as in cell walls and exoskeletons. Which of the following lipids is generally considered to be bad cholesterol? A. HDL. B. LDL. C. VLDL. D. Chylomicrons. The correct answer is B. LDL, low-density lipoprotein, is often referred to as bad cholesterol due to its role in contributing to plaque buildup in arteries. In terms of chemical nature, what property do nucleic acids exhibit? A. Hydrophobic. B. Hydrophilic. C. Amphipathic. D. Neutrally charged. The correct answer is B. Nucleic acids are generally hydrophilic in nature, meaning they have an affinity for water. What is the main purpose of amino acids in biological systems? A. Energy production. B. Catalysis of chemical reactions. C. Building blocks of proteins. D. Structural support. The correct answer is C. Amino acids are the basic building blocks of proteins, which have various structural and functional roles in living organisms. Which of the following accurately describes the chemical nature of proteins? A. Highly hydrophobic. B. Hydrophilic at pH 7. C. Neutrally charged. D. Strongly acidic. The correct answer is B. Proteins are generally hydrophilic at physiological pH, around pH 7, due to the presence of charged amino acid side chains. What is the key function of nucleic acids in the cell? A. Energy storage. B. Cell membrane formation. C. Genetic information storage and protein synthesis. D. Enzyme regulation. The correct answer is C. Nucleic acids, such as DNA and RNA, play a critical role in storing genetic information and facilitating protein synthesis in cells. Which of the following is a characteristic of complex carbohydrates? A. Easily digested and absorbed. B. Consist of multiple sugar units bonded together. C. Single sugar molecules. D. Highly soluble in water. The correct answer is B. Complex carbohydrates are composed of multiple sugar units joined together in long chains, providing a source of sustained energy release. What is the primary storage form of carbohydrates in animals? A. Starch. B. Glycogen. C. Cellulose. D. Fructose. The correct answer is B. Glycogen is the main storage form of carbohydrates in animals, primarily found in the liver and muscles. Which of the following types of lipids are known as triglycerides? A. Steroids. B. Phospholipids. C. Waxes. D. Fats and oils. The correct answer is D. Triglycerides are the main type of fats and oils that serve as a concentrated energy source in the body. What is the primary role of enzymes in living organisms? A. Energy storage. B. Transport of molecules. C. Catalysis of biochemical reactions. D. Structural support. The correct answer is C. Enzymes act as biological catalysts, facilitating chemical reactions in the body without being consumed in the process. What is the primary storage form of carbohydrates in plants? A. Glucose. B. Starch. C. Sucrose. D. Cellulose. The correct answer is B. Starch is the primary storage form of carbohydrates in plants. Which of the following is an example of a simple sugar? A. Glucose. B. Cellulose. C. Chitin. D. Glycogen. The correct answer is A. Glucose is an example of a simple sugar. What is the main function of lipids in the human body? A. Energy storage. B. Building DNA. C. Enzyme activation. D. Immune response. The correct answer is A. Lipids primarily function as energy storage in the human body. Which of the following is an essential fatty acid? A. Linoleic acid. B. Palmitic acid. C. Stearic acid. D. Oleic acid. The correct answer is A. Linoleic acid is an essential fatty acid. What is the chemical nature of nucleic acids with regard to their role in genetics? A. Energy storage. B. Carrier of genetic information. C. Building muscle. D. Enzyme cofactor. The correct answer is B. Nucleic acids act as carriers of genetic information. Which of the following amino acids is classified as an essential amino acid? A. Glutamine. B. Proline. C. Phenylalanine. D. Glycine. The correct answer is C. Phenylalanine is an essential amino acid. Which type of carbohydrate is known for its complexity and slow digestion rate? A. Monosaccharide. B. Disaccharide. C. Polysaccharide. D. Oligosaccharide. The correct answer is C. Polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates. What is the primary function of nucleic acids within cells? A. Energy production. B. Cellular structure. C. Protein synthesis. D. Enzyme activation. The correct answer is C. Nucleic acids are responsible for protein synthesis. Which of the following lipids is commonly referred to as omega-3s? A. Saturated fats. B. Trans fats. C. Monounsaturated fats. D. Polyunsaturated fats. The correct answer is D. Polyunsaturated fats are often known as omega-3. Which of the following is a primary function of carbohydrates in the human body? A. Provide fast energy. B. Cell membrane structure. C. Insulation for nerves. D. Building blocks for proteins. The correct answer is A. Carbohydrates primarily provide fast energy for the body through metabolism. What is the chemical nature of lipids with regard to their role in the body? A. Hydrophobic. B. Hydrophilic. C. Neutral. D. Acidic. The correct answer is A. Lipids are hydrophobic molecules, as they are insoluble in water and important for energy storage. Which nucleic acid is responsible for encoding genetic information in protein synthesis in cells? A. DNA. B. mRNA. C. rRNA. D. tRNA. The correct answer is A. DNA is responsible for carrying genetic information and serves as a template for protein synthesis. How many essential amino acids are there that must be obtained from the diet in humans? A. 9. B. 12. C. 5. D. 20. The correct answer is A. There are 9 essential amino acids that humans must obtain from their diet, as the body cannot synthesize them. What is the primary role of proteins in living organisms? A. Energy storage. B. Hormone production. C. Enzyme catalysis. D. Genetic information storage. The correct answer is C. Proteins primarily function as enzymes, catalyzing various biochemical reactions in the body. Which of the following is a type of complex carbohydrate? A. Monosaccharide. B. Disaccharide. C. Polysaccharide. D. Fiber. The correct answer is C. Polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates made up of multiple sugar units bonded together. What is a characteristic of the chemical nature of lipids? A. Water-soluble. B. Polar. C. Hydrophilic. D. Nonpolar. The correct answer is D. Lipids have a nonpolar nature, making them insoluble in water and important for energy storage. How many nucleotide bases are present in DNA? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. The correct answer is C. DNA is made up of 4 nucleotide bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Which amino acid is commonly found in collagen, the most abundant protein in the human body? A. Lysine. B. Proline. C. Glutamine. D. Arginine. The correct answer is B. Proline is a key amino acid found abundantly in collagen, providing stability and structure to the protein. What is the structure of a simple carbohydrate? A. Long chains of sugar units. B. 2 sugar units bonded together. C. Single sugar unit. D. Branching sugar units. The correct answer is C. Simple carbohydrates are composed of a single sugar unit, such as glucose or fructose. What is the primary purpose of carbohydrates in the human body? A. Energy source. B. Cell structure. C. Enzyme synthesis. D. Antibody production. The correct answer is A. Carbohydrates are primarily used as an energy source in the human body through processes like glycolysis and cellular respiration. Which type of lipid is commonly considered bad cholesterol? A. Triglycerides. B. LDL cholesterol. C. HDL cholesterol. D. Phospholipids. The correct answer is B. LDL cholesterol is commonly known as bad cholesterol as it can contribute to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. How many types of nucleotide bases are present in DNA? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. The correct answer is C. DNA contains 4 types of nucleotide bases: adenine, A, cytosine, C, guanine, G, and thymine, T. Which amino acid is abundantly found in collagen, the most prevalent protein in the human body? A. Valine. B. Glycine. C. Aspartic acid. D. Methionine. The correct answer is B. Collagen is rich in glycine, which is essential for the structure and function of this protein in tissues like skin and bones. What type of bond connects 2 amino acids within a protein chain? A. Covalent bond. B. Ionic bond. C. Hydrogen bond. D. Peptide bond. The correct answer is D. A peptide bond forms between the carboxyl group of one amino acid and the amino group of another during protein synthesis. What is the primary function of nucleic acids within cells? A. Energy storage. B. Enzyme catalysis. C. Genetic information storage. D. Cell membrane structure. The correct answer is C. Nucleic acids, such as DNA and RNA, store genetic information that is essential for protein synthesis, cell function, and inheritance. Which lipid is known for being good cholesterol? A. Triglycerides. B. LDL cholesterol. C. HDL cholesterol. D. Phospholipids. The correct answer is C. HDL cholesterol is considered good cholesterol as it helps remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream, lowering the risk of heart disease. Which category do enzymes fall under in the biological context? A. Structural proteins. B. Energy storage molecules. C. Catalysts. D. Hormones. The correct answer is C. Enzymes are specialized proteins that act as biological catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions in cells without being consumed in the process. What is the main storage form of carbohydrates in animals? A. Glycogen. B. Starch. C. Cellulose. D. Fructose. The correct answer is A. Glycogen serves as the primary storage form of carbohydrates in animals, stored in the liver and muscles to provide a quick energy reserve when needed.